Pass the ball again. They will move the ball up to left. Goes on for 30 minutes. Okay? It's most of the players who played for us in the I-League last year have been absorbed by the franchises and some have signed for other clubs. So we have to start the building process again. So we have shortlisted most of new players from outside the state also, some good youngsters plus local players. So the team composition will be somewhat more of the Goan flavor, and we are looking out for some exciting matches.
Carry karo, Omkar. That's it. Good one. Hey. Manal. No, baby practice. Hard shoot. Let them play.
Yes, we have high expectation this year, being the boys, being experienced, some of the experience and some new youngsters coming in the line, and it is a good platform for the most of the boys to perform in this Pro League, and from there we will gauge their performance. Based on the performance, they will be selected for the I-League, and it is a good opportunity for the boys to let their performance count in the Pro League, and with little bit of experience they are ready for the I-League, which is the topmost league with the best of players, the best of teams. So it is a godsend opportunity playing in the professional league and impressing and getting in the I-League.